The insurance company says that I'm at fault for the car accident, so what should I do? Hi, I'm attorney Justin Elsner. I'm a personal injury attorney. A lot of times we see this happen where insurance adjusters basically try and convince somebody that they are at fault for the collision. Even I've seen this in rear end collision. So the best thing to do if an insurance adjuster says you're at fault is to try and build a case of why you aren't. And so if there are witnesses to what happened, you could provide information. A lot of times the insurance adjuster won't have the police report, so you can get a copy of the police report, send it to the insurance adjuster. You could also just try and give an explanation of what happened to explain the scenario. I've also just gotten like a Google Maps showing the roadway to demonstrate to the insurance adjuster how the roadway works and how what their insured said doesn't make sense and what happened to our client makes more sense. At the extreme end of it, you could also hire a collision reconstructionist. So sometimes we have to do that if the facts kind of are complicated and it looks more like a science experiment to prove what happened. We'll hire a collision reconstructionist to diagram and sometimes even create a video demonstrating how the collision occurred to prove the case. So don't always just believe the insurance company if they say you're at fault, because they have an interest in denying as many claims as they possibly can. And so sometimes they give weird oddball reasons for denying a claim, but that isn't the end all be all. And if you still can't convince the insurance adjuster, then your last course of action would be just file a lawsuit and then take the case to court and prove to the judge or jury that you are not at fault. So don't automatically go with what the adjuster says. If you in your gut know that you're confident it's not your fault, then you can try and build your case to prove that actually the other person was at fault. If you're going through the scenario where the insurance company is trying to tell you that it's your fault and you're quite certain it's not, feel free to reach out to us. We do offer free consultation, so I'm happy to evaluate your case and see if there's something we can do to prove that you were not at fault for the collision.